Good day, everyone. I'm in my little fruit cage, and my Liberty apple, my favorite apple this year, is making apples. Look at the size of the apple. I'm quite proud of them. And nary a blemish on them, really. And they're so sweet. So this tree still is quite loaded, considering the tree is I've only had it, this is only its second season. And second season in my little fruit cage here. Today I'm just going to make a short little daily vlog because I want to share my Inktober, and I also don't want to make the vlogs very long because, it might be boring to listen to these daily vlogs for too long, so I think I'll keep them short. So I'm picking apples today, and I'm also got my spade, my shovel out, and I'm going to dig up some of my various plants I like to bring in for houseplants. I have a couple of begonias that are technically houseplants that I always put out in the summer, and then I bring them in, and then I always pick out some coleus to bring in for the season to keep as a houseplant, and then I can take cuttings and make more coleus for next spring. So I think I'll just dig up some plants, put them in pots, show them to you with the seed, and then talk about my drawing. This will be today's short little vlog and today's Inktober drawing. Let's get to work. And here we have a simple afternoon midday chore finished. I've just put them in various pots, and I know these look a little sparse, but I went down to the beach, as you saw, and got the shells, which are plentiful. But these two begonias will fill in nicely in the summer, or in the house. I just took an offshoot of the original one, and I'll probably take the others later in the month, hoping they make it. And then this is one of my favorite coleus, so I always bring this in and take cuttings from it. And this is one of my new favorite coleuses. I just got this summer, and I want to have it next year, and in case they don't have it at the garden center. So I'm bringing it in as a plant, as a house plant, and then I can take cuttings in the spring or throughout the winter and root in new little cuttings. So that's today's chore done. Getting apples and bringing in some plants to keep before the frost comes, although you wouldn't think of frost today. It's so warm today. It's probably about 70 Fahrenheit today, so it's quite a warm day, but still a good day for working out in the yard. But this is a short vlog because I have to get back in and do the drawing for tomorrow's vlog. And now for sharing today's Inktober sketch. I will put it up on the screen as we look at the lovely houseplants in the sea and my wheelbarrow behind. So I'll put that up. And today we have seaside tea. We have a lovely little witchy sort of gal out and about, and rather than use her own magic to carry her tea things to the beach, she has a seal footman to do the chore for her. The real magic servants. So I love Edwardian and Victorian clothing, so I just like to incorporate those. And so this month of drawing every day, I thought it's a perfect opportunity to slip in as much Victoriana and Edwardian outfits as I possibly can. So I hope you enjoyed that drawing. All right, so let's close out today's vlog. And again, I'm keeping it short and simple. And I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And I shall see you again tomorrow. And remember, stay creative. Cheers.